अभी तो मैं उस स्टेज पे पहुंची भी नहीं हूँ कि ब्रांड्स मेरे साथ कोलैबोरेशन करें. दिस वॉजंट अ मैजिक कि एक हेयर वॉश में सिल्की स्मूथ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel here with Dinoshi. So today I wanted to talk about something that honestly made noticeable change in my hair transformation journey, and this is not sponsored by the way at all. I have bought all these products with my own money. अभी तो मैं उस स्टेज पे पहुंची भी नहीं हूँ कि ब्रांड्स मेरे साथ कोलैबोरेशन करें, but soon we'll reach there. But for now I have bought all, like each and every bottle of this product that you have seen in the previous clip with my own money. So there is no biasness, completely honest review. There was a time when my hair was super dry and extremely frizzy and unpleasant to deal with. I'd wash it, style it, and then in no time the frizz is back. It looked dull and overall not healthy at all. It's also about how difficult it is to manage them every day. I was trying different things here and there, hoping something would work. Then one day, after seeing the hype on the internet about the Love Beauty Planet Lavender range, I thought to give it a try. This wasn't a magic कि एक hair wash में silky smooth hair. No, but I gave it a time and consistency, and slowly results start showing up. And the first thing I noticed is fragrance, the lavender. Oh god, I kid you not, the lavender is so relaxing and calming. Like, I cannot handle strong fragrances in general. When I used it for the first time, the fragrance of this product was so relaxing and soothing. I just love it so much. But that won't be enough, right? Regular use के बाद my hair started feeling smooth and manageable, and the frizz, which was my biggest issue, reduced so much. What I personally liked about this product is it didn't make my hair feel greasy or heavy. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि products लगाने के बाद कुछ घंटों तक आपके बाल बहुत smooth और अच्छे लगते हैं, but after a few hours it just feels way down. But this didn't do that for me. Of course everyone has different hair type, so अगर ये मेरे लिए वर्क करे ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके लिए वर्क करे. I would definitely suggest you to try it once. There is a 200 ml bottle also which is available in the market. You can start with that and just see if it works for you, because I think this will reduce your frizziness so much, because it has done wonders for me. Before this nothing worked for me, but now I cannot think of using anything else on my hair, and I feel this range has genuinely been a most important part of my hair transformation journey, and I would definitely recommend it, and I would suggest you all to give it a try at least once and see if it works for you or not, because I have a strong feeling with this that this would work. So yeah, this was my experience with it, and if any of you have tried it, please do let me know how it worked. And if you are dealing with dry and frizzy hair, let me know in the comment section below. What is your biggest struggle? I would love to know it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in next one. Till then, bye bye, keep styling.